Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn if we can choose more than 5 interests on Tinder. So we are going to learn if we can able to choose more than 5 interests on Tinder. So just open your Tinder app and go to the profile icon on the right hand side bottom. Once you are over here, click on a profile option, that is a pin like option over your photo. Once you are over here, just scroll all the way down until you see your interest. You have to just click on interest. And the key feature is that you cannot choose more than 5 over here. You can just maximum add 5 of it. You can just also try it. You have to just I have just already chosen 5 of 5. Now choose any one of this and you can see over here it has been written you have reached the maximum number of selection. To add more, please remove some from your list. So in order to add more, you have to just remove something from your list. Like I have just removed sick and now you can just add photography. So in this way you can add up to a 5 interests to your profile on Tinder. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.